Want to remove those annoying news cards from your Android lock screen? Here's the fastest way to turn them off. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Swipe down from the top and tap the gear icon to open settings. In settings, look for lock screen or lock screen and always on display. Then tap it. If you don't see that, your phone might list it under display. Then lock screen. Once you're in lock screen settings, we're ready to switch off the news feed. Here, look for options like lock screen content, lock screen widgets, or lock screen services. Tap that section, then find a toggle or option related to news, content feed, or glance style cards. Turn this switch off so it's gray or disabled, instead of blue or highlighted. If your phone offers multiple providers, set it to none or select a basic clock-only option. Now lock your phone and wake it again to confirm the news feed is gone from the lock screen. That's it. Your Android lock screen is now clean and distraction-free. For more quick Android fixes, hit like and subscribe.